People are asking, why is my sauna not heating up? It's wintertime, people are up north. Why in the hell is my sauna not staying hot? It's not getting up to an operating temperature that they want it at. Give me some, one, why is their sauna not heating up? But two, give me some resolves to that problem while we're up here.
Probably because it's 59 degrees in here. But if you take an infrared sauna or a traditional sauna and you put it in an unheated space, put it in a garage, slab on grade with no frost protection, frost gets underneath the slab on the ground, keeps it really cold, radiates up through. So basically what you have, even if you heat the garage, you have an isolated space. It doesn't share the central heating and cooling of a house, structure, garage, basement, whatever. It's closed off to that. Just like if you had a sauna in your bathroom that was connected to a shower, it doesn't really have its own HVAC system or HRV. So it's kind of like an independent internal space. Even if you have heated, unheated, doesn't matter. So it's operating within its own set of conditionals, and there's a lag on it. So if you have a sauna in your cold garage, you've got frost underneath it, you're fighting that when you want the sauna to heat up. So it's going to take longer. So there's a bunch of different situations that you can kind of find yourself in when that's happening. It depends on which one it is for you to actually remedy it. But usually, if it's a traditional sauna and you're having trouble with that, the heater's undersized, right? If you have a 4 kilowatt, 6 kilowatt heater, but you have a gigantic 12-person room, or the benches are too low, or there's all kinds of little things that could make it work, not work. If you have a large cubic footage sauna with inadequate, heater coverage, your body's not actually going to receive the radiant heat, and you're going to be relying and waiting for the convection to kick in, which is the same principle. It's going to be radiating, the cold's going to radiate through. It's going to take forever. Remedies for something like that can be simple. Put a patio heater in it. My favorite is to put heat lamp bulbs in the ceiling. You get a little bit of red light therapy, not a ton. You're not going to get anything under 900 nanometer wavelength. It's going to be limited, but it'll increase the preheat time like that because it's incandescent. So it's instant on. You're not waiting for it, right? So that's one good thing. If you're dealing with a crappy sauna like Aaron was talking about, or if you're dealing with a high-end sauna, there are certain situations where it can happen to both. But I mean, obviously, the lesser quality saunas have smaller power supplies. If you look at an Amazon or a Wayfair sauna, they're 900 watt, 1200 watt, 1400 watt power supplies. Sometimes those are mini saunas, one person up to two person. They're underpowered, right? So there's ways that you can fix that. One of the reasons that we developed the Sauna Supercharger course, or showed people how to put heat lamps in them, or showed people how to modify saunas. I mostly specialize in infrared. I don't do a ton with traditional, just because I don't want to deal with the humidity. I don't want to have external ventilation. I don't want to run 240, in a condo or a townhouse, or think that other people are going to be able to do that. It's just not a practical situation for most people that live in the city, don't have a house with a big backyard, can't afford an electrician to trench conduits around, all this stuff. So what we do is we show people how to make, expensive saunas work or cheap saunas work. One of the things that we've done that really helps is show people how to fix a Costco sauna. They're $2,000. Stick them in a cold basement. It's not going to work how you want. It just won't. It's 45 degrees down there. The damn thing won't preheat. It's cold on the bottom. Your legs never sweat. Your feet are dry. It doesn't feel good. But there's ways to remedy that. And, one of the best things that we've ever done is not leave people of all budgets hanging. We try to serve every single possible way that we can. And the Sauna Supercharger does exactly that. Just the courses in general will take a while. Put a lot of effort into them. And also, I don't want to come across as a know-it-all. There's been so many mentors and great people that have put out excellent information that have helped me along the way. At the same time, 700 videos, 6+ years, 40-something sauna brands, 30,000 people in the Facebook group, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people. There's ice falling. Sorry. I forgot what I was going to say because of that. Basically, we don't want to come across as know-it-alls, but at the same time, no one has a better idea usually than I do of what people actually need. So we try to craft the courses and stuff, inject a little personality, make sure they're not super dry. No one wants to watch that. If you sound like a robot reading a teleprompter and you're just like, it's not real life. Maybe we drill a hole in the wrong place. Maybe we use a bracket that we shouldn't have done. I want to show you that so that you don't go and do that. And I think that's the real value for people. And that's why our courses take a while. They can be a little exhaustive sometimes, but we make sure we do a damn good job, give you exactly what you need so that you can get the results that we get in the courtesy of your own home. If you're looking to find those courses, the best way is the links in the description. We have them on Sauna Courses right now, saunacourses.com. We're probably going to move that to like a training center, but it'll automatically redirect. If you check the links in the YouTube description or you go on the Facebook group, Certified Sauna Community, it's easy to find. Just type it in the search bar. Don't just take my word for it. There's tons of people in the Facebook group. There's 30,000 people in there. But not all of them are into modifying stuff and doing DIY things and trying to make stuff better and get out peak performance. It's all walks of life from people in there. But you don't have to just take it from me. You can learn from them as well. So go in the group. You'll see other people that have modified, who have used our courses, who have come up with their own modifications. It's really the community that's pushing this forward, that's, you know, kind of elevating all of us, and we're all benefiting from it. So it's a great place, and I think you'll really like it.